Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system and immediately starting the update process. First, check your Windows 10 version so you download compatible drivers. Note the build number. Next, create a restore point and back up essential files so you can revert if something breaks. Then open Device Manager, expand categories, and find devices with warning icons or labeled Unknown Device. Once found, right-click and choose Properties to see Hardware ID. This information guides the next driver lookup. Now you perform the detailed downloads and installations. Use the Hardware ID from Device Manager or the vendor and model to find drivers on official manufacturer sites. This ensures compatibility. Download WHQL-signed drivers when possible and avoid untrusted third-party driver utilities. Install in logical order, chipset first, then storage, graphics, and network drivers, so dependencies are satisfied. During installation, follow prompts. Choose Custom Install if available to skip extras, and reboot after major installs to let Windows load the new drivers properly. Finish by verifying and addressing any issues so your system is stable. Open Device Manager and confirm warning icons are gone. Check driver dates and versions to ensure newer installs applied. If something goes wrong, roll back the driver from Properties, uninstall in safe mode, or restore the system point you created earlier. Once stable, run Windows Update to catch optional drivers and monitor system behavior for 24 to 48 hours. If persistent errors appear, collect error messages and seek manufacturer support using exact model and driver version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.